Welcome to our foundation channel from class 10th mathematics. The chapter number 8 is remainder and factor theorem. Remainder and factor theorems. So in this chapter, let me show you the concepts and some important topics in this. Let's see first basic concept. So what is the remainder theorem and factor theorem? And separately we'll discuss remainder theorem and factor theorem including examples. Right? Again, to factorize the given polynomial. If any polynomial is given, how to factorize. So this is one of the easy and simple chapter. Only the two main concepts are there in this. So one is remainder theorem and factor theorem. So there's no need of any prove the theorems. The statement will apply to do these concepts one by one. So these are the following topics I'll explain. First of all, when you see the function, so like f of x, let's say 2x square minus 5x minus 7. 2x square minus 5x minus 7. This is a quadratic equation. So this value of this is depending on this x value of this x. That means this is a function variable x as the value of f of x. So it depends on the value of the x. The f of x values depend. Right. For example, if x is equals to 3, f of x is a function that value is 2x square minus 5x minus 7. This f of x value is depending on the value of the x here. So let us say x is equal to 3. Then f of 3 is, wherever x is there, we just replace number 3. 2x square. So 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 minus 7. This we supposed to simplify. So 3 square, first bracket, bottommost bracket, 3 square is 9. 9 2 is 18. Minus 15 minus 7. So 18 minus 15, 3. And 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So whenever x is equal to 3, the f of x value is minus 4. Same way is depending on the value of the x. If x is equals to say minus 3, then f of minus 3 value, that is 2 into minus 3 square minus 5 into minus 3 minus 7. This value you have to simplify. Right, minus 3 whole square is 9. Again 9 2 is 18. Minus 5 into minus 3, plus 15 minus 7. It's 18 plus 15 minus 7 is 26. And so on. So any value of the x, if you substitute in or replace in the place of x, you will get the f of x value. That is f of 3, f of minus 3. So these are the concept you're going to apply in remainder and including in factor theorem. Then especially we'll see how to factorize the given polynomial. So how to complete factorize the given polynomial, so quadratic or cubic polynomial. So let's see topic wise. Remainder theorem. So actually this is finding the remainder without actually performing the process of the division. So without doing normal division, without doing actual division, how to find the remainder. So let us see in this concept. So is this method of finding the remainder without actually performing the process of division is called remainder theorem. But when you see the definition here, I'll show definition, you'll see the examples. If f of x, let us say f of x is a polynomial in terms of x, is divided by x minus a is a polynomial, or this is a linear or quadratic. So x minus a is a linear only, single term. If f of x is a polynomial in x in divided by x minus a, then remainder is f of a. So we already discussed how to find out f of 3, f of 4, substituting, no? So wherever the x is there, we have to substitute this a. So if f of x is divided by x minus 3, then remainder is f of 3. Right? Step 1 and step 2. In 2 steps we can use this concept. First step is put the divisor equal to 0 and solve the equation obtained to get the value of its variable. For example, it is divided by 2x plus 1. In case which is divided by 2x plus 1. So first step, we should make this 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this you have to find out the value of the x. So 2x is equals to minus 1, plus 1 take right side, and x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now f of x, right? So f of minus 1 by 2. In the place of x, you have to replace minus 1 by 2. Then you get the remainder. And second step is substitute this value. Just only the substitute. First you have to find out the x value. Then second one is substituting. In the place of x, that value you have to substitute. Let us see the problem. So definition is any polynomial, if it is divided by x minus a, then remainder is f of a. If we divide by x minus 3, remainder is f of 3. Okay, let us see. So without actual performing the process of the division, we are going to find out the remainder using this remainder theorem. Right. Now let us see this problem. In every question they will give the polynomial. Here is x square minus 8x plus 4. This is the function with variable x. Let us take f of x is equals to x square minus 8x plus 4. Now is divided by 2x plus 1. This one is divided by 2x plus 1. Let's take 2x plus 1 make equal to 0. 2x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 by 2. Right? This we can do calculates roughly. So now after getting x value, the remainder is f of minus 1 by 2. So therefore we'll find out remainder directly. They're asking only find the remainder. So remainder is equals to f of minus 1 by 2. That is in the place of x you have to replace this minus 1 by 2. X square. So minus 1 by 2 whole square. 8 into x. So 8 minus 8 into x. X value is again minus 1 by 2 plus 4. We just simplify this. Minus 1 by 2 whole square is plus 1 by 4. Minus into minus plus, you can cancel 2, 4, plus 4 and plus 4 is this. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 by 4. So 8 1 by 4 is in terms of mixed fraction you can write. Right. So find the remainder when x square minus 8x plus 4 is divided by 2x plus 1. The answer is the remainder is 8 1 by 4. Let us see the different problems in this. One more question. First part is directly finding the remainder, and another type is find the value of a. Find the value of a if the division of ax cube plus 9x square plus 4 minus 10. So this is a function by x plus 3 leaves a remainder of 5. In the question itself they mentioned the remainder is 5. So let us take x plus 3, right? So x plus 3 is equal to 0 you take. From this x is equals to minus 3. X value you should find out as a step 1. Now remainder is 5. In this problem remainder is 5. So let us take f of x. Question is ax cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 10. So according to this, when x is equal to minus 3, so f of minus 3 is equals to the remainder, that is 5. Remainder is given. Now wherever x is there you can substitute minus 3. So from this f of minus 3 a into x cube, so minus 3 cube plus 9 into minus 3 square plus 4 into minus 3 minus 10. So this is f of minus 3 value and f of minus 3 is 5. Remainder is 5. So based on this we can equate this both. So therefore let us simplify this more. Minus 3 whole cube. This is minus 27. A. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 9 is 81. So plus 81. And minus 12 and minus 10. Okay, this is f of minus 3, but f of minus 3 is 5. So therefore we can make the statement. Minus 27a plus 81 minus 12 minus 10 is equals to 5. Because remainder is given. Answer is given is because you have to find out the a value from the statement. So from here minus 27a plus 81 minus 12 minus 10. You simplify, take other side, is equals to 5. 81. So minus 81 plus 12 and plus 10. Simplify this. So minus 54 will get. That is minus 27a. From this a value, a is equals to minus cancel. 54 by 27, that is 2. So value of the A is 2. Simplify the equation, linear equation, and try to find out the A value. So if they already mentioned the remainder, make equal to remainder value after substituting the value. Right. Let us see another type in this. This is one more type. And another type in this remainder theorem. So you can expect the questions like this. Your question is, polynomial or function is only one when f of x is x cube plus ax square minus bx minus 8. This is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 0, one case. And when divided by x plus 1, the remainder is minus 30. Find the value of a and b. So let us take in two cases. First, f of x is x cube plus ax square minus bx minus 8 is divided by x minus 2. Right? X minus 2 means as the step 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equals to 2. When you substitute x is equal to 2, the remainder is 0 is mentioned. So f of 2, that is 2 cube plus a into 2 square minus b into 2 minus 8. That value is 0. Just simplify this part. 2 cube 8 plus 4a minus 2b minus 8 is equal to 0. Yes, you can simplify plus 8 minus 8 cancel. 4a minus 2b is equal to 0. You can take 2 common, then 2a minus b is equal to 0. Okay, let be equation 1. Same way we can find out here. Next is sentence, when is divided by x plus 1. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. In this case, remainder is minus 30. Minus 30, right? So f of minus 1. Same function, x cube minus 1 cube plus a into minus 1 square minus b into minus 1 minus 8. That value is minus 30 because remainder is minus 30. This value should be equal to minus 30. We'll get one more equation in this. Minus 1 cube. So minus 1 whole square is 1 into a. So 8 is plus b minus 8 is equals to minus 30. Simplify this now. So a plus b minus 1 minus 8 minus 9 become plus 9. So a plus b is equals to minus 21. Equation 2. A plus b is minus 21. 2a minus b 0. Now you can solve by elimination method. You get the answer. So that is first equation 2a minus b is equal to 0. And second equation a plus b is equals to minus 21. Elimination method you write. Plus b minus b cancel 3a by adding minus 21. So a is equals to minus 7, minus 21 by 3. A value if you know, then b value will get. A plus b is minus 21. So minus 7 plus b is equals to minus 21. This is from equation 2. From this is equal to minus 21 plus 7. So minus 14. So this is the method. First equation separately you can calculate and use the elimination method. You can find out these answers. Right. So these are the basic questions. You can expect these three type of problems and more than three also same. You will get the equations by solving or elimination method. You'll find out the values which is asked. Right. Let us see the factor theorem and the examples now. Factor theorem. So in this theorem, before saying this factor theorem, let us see the one small example. You know 2 into 6 is equals to 12, right? That means 2 is the factor of 12 and 6 is also factor of the 12, right? 8 into 4, so 32. In this means 8 is a factor of 32, 4 is also factor of 32. If 8 is a factor of 32 means take 32 and divide by 8, you'll get the remainder 0. So take 32 divide by 8, remainder 0 will get. If 2 is a factor of the 12, now 12 divided by 2, you'll get remainder is 0. That means if you divide with any factor, the remainder should get 0. So same concept will apply in this polynomial. When polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder is f of a. We discussed previous. And if remainder is 0, in case if f of a is equal to 0, then this x minus a is a factor of the polynomial. The remainder is 0, that x minus a, that factor, this word, this polynomial or this expression is a factor of the polynomial. So same thing we'll use. Remainder theorem we are applying that remainder if it is 0, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial. Let us see here. First question, determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial or not. So remainder should get 0. Here is the given question. X minus 1, you first make equal to 0. From this x value find out is 1. Right? X minus, remainder is f of a. If x minus a is divided by x minus a, then remainder is f of a. If it is divided by x minus 1, then remainder is f of 1. X is equal to 1 we got. So this is the function. When the given polynomial is divided by x minus 1, the remainder f of 1. Wherever x is there, 1 we can substitute. X power 6. So 1 power 6 minus 1 to the power 5 plus 1 to the power 4 plus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1. This value 1 to the power 6 is 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Cancel this plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Still 1 is there. So this is non-zero. It's not equal to 0. That means x minus 1 is not a factor of this. So it's not factor. As per the factor theorem, if x minus a is factor, because remainder is 0, then only x minus is a factor. So remainder is not 0. Therefore x minus 1 is not a factor. Let us see the concepts in this more. Here's the question. Find the value of k if x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10. They mentioned already x minus 2 is a factor of this function. So since it is already factor, so as per this factor theorem, remainder must be 0. So here's a given expression f of x, x cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10. Right? Again, x minus 2 is a factor. Since x minus 2 is a factor, and let x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equals to 2. And that means f of 2 must be 0. Then f of 2. This value should be equal to 0 because as per the factor theorem, because x minus 2 is already factored, so remainder must be 0. Wherever 2 is there, you can substitute in this. So 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 10 is equal to 0. Let us simplify from here. 2 to the power 3, 8. Next one, plus 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8. Minus 2k plus 10 is equal to 0. Right? 8 plus 8, 16 plus 10, 26. So minus 2k is equal to minus 26, take other side. Then k is equals to 13. Minus minus cancel, 26 by 2. So k value is 13 now. Now on substituting this k is equal to 13 in the given expression. So then it becomes, then f of x becomes x cube plus 2x square minus kx, right? K is 13. So 13x plus 10. Now the question is determine whether x plus 5 is also factor. Determine whether x plus 5 is also a factor. So x plus 5 is mentioned. So that is, since x plus 5 is equal to 0 you take, then x is equals to minus 5. In the place of x, minus 5 is supposed to substitute. So f of minus 5 value, x cube. So minus 5 whole cube plus 2 into minus 5 whole square minus 13 into minus 5 plus 10. If this value is 0, then x plus 5 is also a factor, because as per this factor theorem. Minus 5 whole to the power cube, so minus 125. Minus 5 whole square is 25, 25 2 is 50, minus to minus plus 13, 5 is 65 plus 10. Minus 125 plus 50 plus 65 plus 10, so 125. Minus 125 plus 125 is 0. So since the remainder is 0, x plus 5 is a factor. So whenever they are asking is the only factor, the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, that is where is the factor. Let us see the one more sum in this type. Same function or single polynomial with two conditions, how to solve. Here is the question. Polynomial x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 6 leaves the remainder minus 8 when divided by x minus 1, and x minus 2 is a factor of it. So till here is one line. Leaves remainder minus 8 when divided by x minus 1. Right? Let us take two equations. First one, f of x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 6. They mentioned it is divided by x minus 1. Right? Let x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus 1. Right? So already mentioned remainder is minus 8. So when you substitute f of 1, the result should be equal to minus 8. So here's 1 cube minus a into 1 square plus b into 1 minus 6. This value you can simplify now. So finally we'll get 1 cube is 1 minus a plus b minus 6 is equals to minus 8. Then minus a plus b is equals to 1 minus 6 minus 5, take right side, minus 3. Then if you multiply with minus both the sides, minus plus minus a becomes plus a, minus b is equal to 3. Even you can stop here. You can make into positive term of the first term. Right? Is equation 1. Now, and x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor of it. So if since x minus 2 is a factor, as per the factor theorem, then x is equals to 2. So f of 2 is equal to 0. So f of x value 2, right? So f of 2 must be 0. Let us substitute 2 in this. Wherever x is a 2, you can substitute x cube. So 2 cube minus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Because only factor, right? 8 minus 4a plus 2b minus 6 is equal to 0. Then finally a term, b term take other side. Okay, or else minus 4a plus 2b is equals to 8 minus 6 is 2, it becomes minus 2. Take minus 2 common, it becomes 2a minus b is equals to 1. Take minus 2 common both the sides. This is equation 2. Right. On solving equation 1 and 2, you'll get a and b values. Just to do elimination method. So you'll get finally a is equals to minus 2 and b is equals to minus 5. Elimination method you apply. Just we did previous. Same concept you can apply. Minus b minus b. Now you can subtract. So by elimination method or solving equation 1 and 2, we'll get a is equals to minus 2 and b is minus 5. So this is the way we can solve the problems even from factor theorem. Now let us see how to use the factor theorem to factorize the given polynomial completely. Using factor theorem, how to factorize the given polynomial. So let us see this topic. Using the factor theorem, the question, show that x minus 2 is a factor of 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Hence, factorize the given expression. First, factor theorem will use show that x minus 2 is a factor. So as per the rule, x minus 2 is a factor. So x minus 2, let it be 0. From this, x is equals to plus 2. Right? So the remainder, now wherever x is there, you have to substitute 2, then remainder should get 0. So therefore, f of 2, the expression is 3x square minus 5x minus 2. So in this f of x, 3x square minus 5x minus 2. So we are supposed to get f of 2 should be equal to 0. So after solving, we are supposed to get the 0. So when the remainder is 0, then x minus 2 is a factor. So 3x square, 3 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 2. right? 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12 minus 10 minus 2. 12 minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Right? We got. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. So therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. We can say that. Then, hence factorize the given expression completely. So here we got, take this expression 3x square minus 5x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So we get the quotient. That quotient, and we can factorize it. So here already is a quadratic equation. Now it's a linear equation. Only one more linear equation we get. After getting this, take this 3x square minus 5x minus 2 divide by x minus 2. So division method you can use in this. So divide by x minus 2. Already studied in previous class. Once again I'll show you here. Given expression should be in order, highest power to least power. Now this is the dividend and divisor. Remainder will get 0 anyhow because x minus 2 is a factor. Quotient you have to find out. So now dividing 3x square minus 5x minus 2 by x minus 2. So we'll get the quotient now. Right. So x is the first term, 3x square. So x into dash is 3x square. So 3x. X into what term if you multiply, this first term will come. Check the rough work. X into dash is equal to 3x square. Observe the rough concept. First term into dash is this first term. Dividend first term, divisor first term. That is 3x because x into 3x is 3x square. That should write here. Now take this 3x and multiply this entire. 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into minus 2 is minus 6x. Then subtract this. Minus plus. You get cancel. Minus 5x plus 6x. So x. Next term is minus 2. Again repeat the same step. First term into what term is first. So plus 1. X into dash is x. So 1. Now take this 1 and multiply. X minus 2. 1 into x is x. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So change the sign. Cancel 0. Remainder will get 0 but quotient is 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 is another factor. So therefore 3x square minus 5x minus 2 is x minus 2 is a factor. One more factor is 3x plus 1. Because of this is quadratic equation, we got only two factors. Let us see the similar type of problem with cubic polynomial. Yeah, here is the question. First show that 2x plus 7 is a factor of 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14. Right. Since here is 2x plus 7 is a factor, so equal to 0. From this, x is equals to minus 7 by 2. So reminder, the value of this function at minus 7 by 2. So therefore, f of minus 7 by 2. X place, they are asking show that. So we have to get 0. So 2x cube, 2 into minus 7 by 2 cube and plus 5x square minus 7 by 2 square minus 11 minus 7 by 2 minus 14. Yes, you try to simplify this now. Minus 7 by 2 whole cube into 2 minus 343 by 4 minus 7 by 2 whole square, right? 49 by 2. 49 into 5 is 245. 245 by 4 minus 2 minus plus 77 by 2 minus 14. Take 4 is LCM, then minus 343 plus 245 plus 77 into 2. So 154 minus 56 divided by 4. 4 is LCM. Here is minus 343, 245 plus 154 minus 56. Cancel, get 0. 0 by 4, you get 0. Right. So therefore 2x plus 1, 2x plus 7 is a factor. 2x plus 7 is a factor. To factorize this completely, now take this polynomial or expression. You can take this now. 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14. So we are supposed to divide this. Divide by 2x plus 7. Yes, use the same method, same rule. First term 2x into dash is 2x cube. 2x into dash, what term is 2x and 2x cube, right? So x square. X square you multiply this entire. So you can keep the line. X square, 2x into x square is 2x cube. Now take this x square and multiply this entire. 2x plus 7. So 2x cube, x square into 7, so 7x square. Subtract this, change the sign, cancel, plus 5 minus 7. So minus 2x square, next term take down, that is minus 11x. Again repeat the same step. 2x into what term is minus 2x square, so minus x. Minus x into this is minus 2x square, minus x into 7, so minus 7x. Now change the sign, plus subtract, cancel, minus 11 plus 7, minus 4, and next term is minus 14. Now repeat the same step. 2x into what term is minus 4x, so minus 2. As you go minus 4x minus 14, you cancel 0 by changing the sign, right? So remainder will get 0. Now quotient is x square minus x minus 2. So therefore you can make the statement in this. Therefore you write here 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14. So this value is 2x plus 7 is one factor, and quotient we have x square minus x minus 2. So 2x plus 7 is one factor. You can factorize this, x square minus x minus 2. If you factorize x minus 2 and x plus 1, you'll get. So factorization full I'm not showing, just you already know how to factorize, you can do. Now these three are the factors of this. Right. This is one type. Again, another type of question. Without giving any factor or show that, they will give the question, factorize the expression completely. So this is the cubic polynomial. So let us take this f of x. F of x is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. We are supposed to find out at least one factor. For that, you see the constant. Constant is minus 1, right? So minus 1 factors. So plus 1 and minus 1. You substitute in the place of x either plus 1 or minus 1. If you get 0, then that is a factor. You can use the factor theorem. So let us say x is equals to 1. For x is equal to 1, if we get remainder 0, then x minus 1 is a factor. Right? For x is equal to 1, the value of the given expression, f of 1, 2 into 1 cube minus 1 plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. 3 minus 3, 0. When f of 1 we got 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor. Yes, so one of the factor you can use by taking the constant factors and by replacing. If it is not 0, next again substitute in the place of x minus 1. Then it becomes x plus 1 is a factor. That's only change. And second step, you can use the division method to factorize. So already we got 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, right? Now take this and factorize. Factorize with x minus 1. With x minus 1 you can factorize this. Now first term is x, 2x cube. So 2x square. 2x square into x is 2x cube. 2x square into minus 1. So minus 2x square. Change the sign. Cancel this. 3x square. Next term is minus 2x. Again, first term in this divisor into what term is 3x square will get. x into dash is 3x square, that is plus 3x. 3x into this is 3x square, 3x into minus 3x will get. Change sign, cancel, this is x. Next term is minus 1. X into what? So plus 1. You get x minus 1, 0. So finally we have therefore 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. This is x minus 1 is a factor and quotient in this. That is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Right. Now this is supposed to factorize. So x minus 1, this you can factorize. So 2x square, 2 into 1 is 2, right? So plus 2 minus 1, rough work. 2 into 1. So 2x plus x, that is 3x plus 1. X minus 1, take the 2x common, x plus 1, take plus 1 common, x plus 1. Just factorization you can do it. Then finally x minus 1, next bracket, x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. So this is factorized completely. Factorization 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. If you multiply this everything, you get again question. Right? So this is about the factor theorem and factorizing completely. The given expression factorize completely, we can use this method. Right, and you can see the links in description below about the material of this subject and other subjects also you can find out. If you're watching the first time, you can subscribe to our channel to go through the content, the complete series in order. You can subscribe to it and follow this.